Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to load defaults in BIOS on Lenovo Legion. To do it, you need to be in the BIOS, which is entered with the F2 key, and if you don't know how to enter it, there's a video on our channel on how to do it. And once that's done, go to the Exit tab, and here you can load the default settings. You can also change the OS optimized defaults, so when enabled, it'll load default values and that will be adjusted for the Windows for the Windows 8 or newer, and if it's disabled, it'll load the values that are for legacy support. So I'm gonna leave that on enabled, then click on load default settings, enter. Have I done that? Yes. And now I need to exit saving changes, because you need to save that change which was restoring default settings. And now it'll restart your laptop. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.